How to perform Norton Antivirus download. Norton Antivirus is a commercial antivirus software developed by Norton LifeLock. To download Norton Antivirus, you can follow these general steps. 1. Visit the official Norton website *. Go to the official Norton website. The URL may vary, so it's recommended to use a search engine to find the official site. 2. Choose a product *. Navigate to the products or antivirus section to choose the specific Norton product you want to download. Norton offers various security products, so select the one that suits your needs. 3. Select your subscription plan *. Once you've chosen a product, select your subscription plan. Norton typically offers options for different durations. 4. Create or sign into your account *. You may need to create a Norton account or sign in if you already have one. This account is essential for managing your subscription and accessing support. 5. Provide payment information, if applicable. If you are purchasing a subscription, you will likely need to provide payment information. 6. Download the software *. After completing the purchase or selecting a free trial, you should be directed to a page to download the Norton Antivirus software. 7. Run the installer *. Once the download is complete, run the installer file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Norton Antivirus on your computer. 8. Activate your subscription *. If required, activate your subscription using the activation key provided during the purchase process. Remember that these steps are general, and the actual process may vary based on the specific version of Norton Antivirus and any updates or changes made by the company. Always download software from official and reputable sources to ensure that you get the latest and legitimate version. Be cautious of phishing sites or unauthorized sources that may offer downloads with potential security risks. If you have specific questions or encounter any issues during the download or installation process, it's recommended to refer to the official Norton support resources or contact Norton customer support for assistance.